Guys, here I am at Dollar Tree in a different location. So guys, this is the one closer to my home, so let's see what they have over here, guys. Okay, so they do have the stretch canvases here on the bottom, the 8x10s. I'm glad to see that. Then they have the smaller ones, the stretch canvases. They don't have the big ones. Now they do have the multi-spray glue, and they have two packaging here, and because both of them say the same thing, multi-purpose spray glue. So those are the same. Then you have your glitter glues over here, your tacky glue, and then they have the little small stretch canvases, and then the craft jars and the craft little containers you can store them in. So as far as the stickers, guys, I don't know if I can reach too much up here, but then they have these stickers, 187 stickers, guys, in these packages. So that's nice. And then they have these color, you color it, do it yourself. You color them in, and then you have these stickers and these dot ones, circle ones with the smiley faces. Then you only have one of these. These are laser, and the poofy ones back there. So they kind of mixed in together, but that's fine. Look at these, guys. Aren't these, oh, these are so cute. So then they have the owl ones over here. They're adorable. So they have this one, and then they have the green letters. They have this troll art kit, and then they have the green gemstones. So I have some more stickers over here, planner stickers, and some birthday stickers, and some more of these letters. I can't reach up here too much, guys, but they have them in the red and the blue. Then they have those, and these here are Jurassic Park, Toy Story, and My Little Pony, and those are also stickers. So then they have the little coloring little set here. And look, Jurassic Park stickers. Aren't they nice? So over there they have the one set on assemble crystal rings, frozen. And then they have Uma the llama. Isn't she adorable? I like that. So guys, if we scan through this section here, they have the paint sets here. And look, they even have it here in Mickey. And then they have Fancy Nancy. Okay, then they have these, the sun catcher, and then they have your baker's twine, and then they have these airbrushes. Here's the glitter glues, and then they have the little smaller glues, including the multicolor. Okay, I don't see the big glues, but that's okay. Now they have these glitters, and then they have these reclosable little bags. They have this glitter and a little bit of washi tape. So this is the old packaging of the adhesive glue. They have some glitter and the black. Well, that looks like there's two packages missing. But the googly eyes here are in colors, multicolors, and then down here is black. Then you have these beads and those little clothespins over here. They have the sequins, and the sequins, guys, comes in colors. Look how pretty those are. Then you have your beads, these multicolor beads, and then the gemstones, and those are the little glass beads. And they go all the way up to the top, guys. Those are the alphabet ones here. We've seen those before. Then you have your feathers and your pom-poms, and then your wooden dowels. You have those going all the way up, and some more of those sun catchers. So I'm looking for the same vase I used in a DIY, and it was a different shape vase. But anyway, we have the square ones here, and we have these kind here. Then we have these kind and these. You have your mirrors with the gold glitter trim. Those come in the round and the square, and these are your square vases. So then you have this shape vase right here. Guys, this is a nice shape vase. This is a votive. Then they have this kind right here. So then they have it frosted, and they have the clear. So they have these, the potpourri along the bottom. Then you have your stem ones, your wax warmers. And then you have the candlesticks that came back to the Dollar Tree. So here are the iridescent votives, guys, and then they have this one here in the fishbowl. So they have the fishbowl and these two. I think this is a smaller one that comes, but they only have those two sizes. So here you have the fans. Along the bottom you have the seashells, and you have all of this, the floral foams. And here you have the bling wrap. Here you have the bling wrap. Here you have the burlap wraps. Here's some more of the burlap rolls in this kind. They have the chevron style here and the girl grain ribbon there. Tape here, and these are iridescent, guys. Okay, so over here you have the reindeer moss all the way down. You have the Excelsior, and then you have the Spanish moss. Now here you have the nautical rope and the 9-foot. Then you have the little decorative birds and the floral tape. Then you have the diamond wrap. It looks like they only have it in the pink. And then you have these little mirror decor pieces that you can decorate with. They have these pebble gems, but they're pretty much empty over here. Okay. Then you have these guys. Korea mini dolls. Then you have those foam puzzle pieces. These pieces are really cute for little kids, little ones, but then all of these are puzzles. And then, let me see what this is. Oh, the spiral art. Okay, I like those. Brain teasers. And these here. Puzzle ball. These are also brain teasers. And here you have the Sesame Street characters. The monkey links, that's cute. Then you have your My Little Pony and the Care Bears all the way up to the top, and the Minnie. Then you have your grow animals. And here you have the kitchen fruit in a bag. Isn't that adorable? Then here are the utensils. Let me see. So here's your bath toys. These are the frogs. I think they have the rubber duckies, but I don't see them. Some more brain teasers and some kitchenware. Tea time. The fairy dolls. Some more spirals. The dollhouse stuff. The furniture. That's the green, the yellow, the blue outfits. Then you have the My Little Pony. Then down here you have the squishies. Look how cute this is, guys. I love these. And then this is the cake. And then this is the pretzel. And this is the burger. Then these are the dolls, the fashion dolls, guys. They have them stacked over here. So then they have the little plush toys along the bottom there. The pom-poms over here. So that's pretty nice. And they have those squishy toys up there. I love those squishy toys. What are these? Oh, these are the jumbo playing cards. Look how huge those are. Then you have the construction toys. And then you have the robots. You have the Matchbox, the trucks. And then you have the animals along the bottom. You have the military men and the military, these are the action figures. The military action figures, guys. See them? Then you have the weapons. And then you have the bag of the military play toys. Then over here, what are these? Over here are the little figures. The dinosaur play sets right here. These make good favors. You know, you put them inside the little kids' favor bags. Those are nice. Then they have the game toys like the pool table, the basketball, the darts. On the bottom you have the handballs and even the Play-Doh squishies. Those are some puzzles. That's the silly putty. And here's some dice, guys. And the play money. And the turtle, the Ninja Turtles. And the Nickelodeon characters. The Justice League. Some more Play-Doh there. And then you have the more Play-Doh over here. All along the bottom. You have the faux Lego sets over here. And then you have these joking around toy. I don't know, it says let her rip. And then you have light up spinners. Make it, what is this? Sludge slime, okay. Then move the ball in the game. I like that game. Then here you have barf. Wow. Then you have a songbird over here and some goofy putty here. And they come in colors, guys. So you have the craft sticks and colors right there and the Play-Doh. And then here are the cards and some of the instruments right here, and the Play-Doh mold toys. And that little tiny Etch-a-Sketch. So guys, this is the aisle where they have the crafts at the location I'm in. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.